Tada, lunchtime and my lunch today is a beetroot feta walnut salad जो रात को बनाई थी और काफी बच गई थी. उसमें मैंने 80 ग्राम स्लो फैट पनीर स्टर फ्राई करके डाला है. This is a hearty bowl of lunch. So not every meal has to be a sit down dal chawal roti sabzi meal, rajma chole. Why? Because we can't afford those excessive calories and we can't afford the bloat. A lot of traditional meals have changed over the years. गेहूं वो गेहूं नहीं है जो our ancestors and baap dada khate the. The gehu has changed. That gluten is tough. It bloats you. It irritates your gut bacteria. And I love that flat midriff feel. So for me, I love meals like this. And especially in perimenopause and menopause, you need to get in your protein in low calories and keep your nutrition high. You have to learn to plan your meals differently. And that's what I do with my trainees. Unko aadat padti hai plan mein to, moderate and start eating their meals differently because we need to do that.